Welcome back everyone, and thanks for watching my video on the day trading of cryptocurrencies. So again, we've been looking at these three coins that we've been holding on to and hoping for something to happen, the XTZ, Link, and ZRX. We bought at these values, so 35, 23, and 20. We were hoping to see a little bit of an increase this time, so let's jump over to Coinbase and see what we've got. So looking at the portfolio first off, we are down again. Last time we were about 79, so we actually took a significant drop this time. Let's take a look and see which one went down. And it looks like the Tezos is the one that kind of hit us this time. Chainlink is down to 22, and we bought at 23, and the ZRX is at 20. So we're down across the board. So we just have not been having very much luck with these lately. Um, yeah, let's take a look and see what we're missing here. Um, so the first one that we're looking at is this XTZ. So let's go on over to there and see what's happened recently. And it looks like, yep, since the last time that we checked, there was a significant drop off across the board. So we were definitely down. Down overall here, and looks like that trend's been continuing for a little bit. The other two that we have, the Link and ZRX, let's take a look at those as well. So here's the ZRX. Same thing, so all these graphs are looking pretty similar between these two. There's a pretty steady sell-off as things have gone down. Looks like we're picking back up on the Link, but we're really not at the point that we bought at. So even though things are looking better and we're close to kind of the sell conditions, we're not at the sell levels that we want. Because even if we sold right now, we would be losing money. So there is still some potential on this one for it to go up. If you look across the week, we are still down from pretty much all of those other values. So I think that's why it's going to go up. So we might see a little bit more volatility of it bouncing around back up. So that we're hoping to get more in kind of these levels or even something like this. See if we can get another peak like that and jump on it and try to sell. If you look at Bitcoin overall, it is steadily going up. So looks like Bitcoin might have been the better bet this time, but this seems to be what kind of drives the markets now. A lot of the times these other cryptocurrencies will lag Bitcoin. So people will sell out of those to get into Bitcoin. Bitcoin will go up, and then other people start going into these other cryptocurrencies. So there's actually a lot of hope seeing this kind of go up because we were at steady levels there for a while, and now we're getting some pretty high spikes. Pretty sure Bitcoin's going to drop after this because we've hit a pretty high RSI. I mean, we're above 80, well above the moving averages. So I would expect Bitcoin to crash here in a minute, just for a little bit. And usually when that happens, they'll get out of Bitcoin and move into some of these others. So I actually have a lot of hope for tomorrow when we take a look and see what's going on here. Because even the Link, I mean, just sitting here, we've gone up quite a bit even. And you can see kind of these changes. It's kind of percent change is going up quite a bit from just the last little bit. So even just sitting here watching it, there's a lot of action going on, and I bet that's being driven at this high point of Bitcoin. So if I was in Bitcoin, I would probably want to sell that right now. And you know what? I actually am. I have $1.13 in Bitcoin. Real substantial, but like I said, now is the time to sell. So let's go ahead and convert my Bitcoin and let's move that over. Now, what was the one that I was saying had a lot of action? The Link. So let's go ahead and change Bitcoin over to that Link. Just kind of consolidate things a little bit, make it a little bit easier to watch. But also, it's just kind of a good time to sell. So where did my link go on here? There it is, Chainlink. So let's just convert all. So let's convert that dollar over. Give that a second to, okay, so it did say it converted. Now again, we're going to make sure that actually happens. So let's go ahead and refresh that page. It's Bitcoin. Yeah, we really don't see spikes like this very often in Bitcoin with RSI values this high. I mean, it's pretty substantial. So I'm pretty sure it's a good time to get out of Bitcoin. Let's go into the Link. and hope that that continues on its run up as well. Um, so looking at this, yes, we did get everything over to the Chainlink. Now I need to remember to add another dollar on this buy amount because we just shifted that over. So I want to make sure that we kind of keep track of that. So now that gave me everything that I had there in the Bitcoin. So that kind of consolidates things a little bit better. And I expect to see a lot of action here on the link. Looks like, yeah, like I said, things are starting to move up in that direction. Um, where's our ZRX value here? Or the XGZ, yes. And see, that's starting to go up as well. So like I said, when Bitcoin really hits a spike like that, things lag a little bit. So it's good to get out of Bitcoin, move into the other ones because they're about to spike up as well. It's a good sell point. And then we can watch some of these other cryptocurrencies go up. So I think we're going to see some action this next time. Maybe we can make up for some of those gains, at least get back to where we started, and then maybe get at a better spot. So I think that's going to do it for today. We'll just keep an eye on this and check back in tomorrow. Thanks everyone for watching.